Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Kaptechpro. In this video, we will see how we can create a custom document library template in SharePoint Online. So friends, let's go to our lab environment and let's start our today's video demonstration. So friends, before we proceed to our lab environment, if you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel yet, please do subscribe and please press the bell icon to get notified every time I release a new video. Okay friends, so now we are on our M365 admin center, and before we proceed with our today's video demonstration, let me tell you what we will gonna do on this video. So basically in this video, we'll create a custom document library template and we will use that template to create a document library, based on that template. So basically, what is the the use of creating the custom document library template? So we will create a custom document library template with by using the PowerShell. And this feature was rolled out for M365 customer in March 2024, and it basically allow us to provide users more options and flexibility when they are creating a document library in SharePoint. So what basically is the document library template? So a document library template is basically a predefined set of the settings, column, views, formatting that we can apply to a new document library. This generally save our the time and ensure the consistency across all the document library in our tenant. For example, if we'll create a document library template for any project documents, like I would say any project documents, we have the contracts. So basically these type of the templates you will be requiring in your entire tenant very frequently. So that is the the use of creating the custom document library template. So friends, first of all, let's go to our SharePoint Admin Center and we'll click on active sites. Okay, so we have created one site with the name of document for our today's video demonstration. I will open the site in a new tab. So this is a site with the name of document. Now if you'll go to the site contents, and like this is our the by default document library which is created whenever we create a site. So for creating a document library, we click on new, and here we get an option of creating a document library. So once you will click on it, you have few options, like you can create a blank library, you can create a library based on the existing library. Then we have the templates. So these are the three templates which are provided by Microsoft. If you'll click on it, you can go through the template, like what is there in these templates, and if it is of use, you can use this template by clicking on use template, and you can accordingly use it. Now I will cancel it. So as you can see here, from your organization there is a tab. So we haven't uploaded any template yet of document library. So basically once you will upload a template, which I will show you how we can do that on this video. So once you will upload a template, that template can be used across all the sites in your tenant, and that will be your standard tenant. And once the any user, any admin will create a document library, that standard template can be used, okay, across the site. So let's see friends, by using the PowerShell, how we can create our own organization document library template. So we'll close this tab. So first of all, I have created one document library with the name of project. I will use this, document library for creating my template. So let me open this document library first of all. So here you could see, so I have created a document library with the name of project. So as there are a lot many departments in our organization, and this is the standard template which our organization want us to share with them the details of the current projects on which that individual department is working. So as you could see, this is the template, like project name, when it was modified, the project code, what is the status, who is the project owner, approval granted by organization for of that project or not, what is the start date, the contact number of the the project owner, and the total duration by which we have to submit that project. So this is a standard template which we have to use across our organization. So basically I will use this document library template and will create our organization document library custom template. So let's see how we can do that. So for creating a template of this document library, I will open PowerShell. I have one script. So basically on the script, I have to enter few things, and then we will able to easily fetch and create our custom document library template. So first of all, it's as you could see over here, so we have to enter our SPO admin center URL. So I will enter my domain over here, so which is Kaptech. All right, now we have to give the template name, what template name you want to give. So I will give it a name, project template. Now we have to enter the list URL, basically the template which you want to use for creating the custom document library template. So we'll go back to the SharePoint site. Alright, so this is my document library of which I want to use the template. I will copy it. I will go back to PowerShell. We'll enter it here. Now we have to enter the description for this template. So we'll give it a name, right? This is my template description. Now we can also enter the template thumbnail. So I have already saved one image in another site. So this is the image which I want to use as my thumbnail. So I will click on three dots, details, more details, and I will copy the path of this image. Go back to the PowerShell. Again, I will enter the URL of my image. Okay. So basically, this command will first of all connect with the SharePoint Admin Center. Then it will get the template from the library. Then after getting the template from the library, it will create a site script, and then after that it will create a site design for the site scripts. So friends, now we are good to go to execute the script. So I will run the script first. Okay, so here I will choose my account. So this is my account. Let me provide the credentials. Okay, so authentication is done and my script is getting executed. Okay, so our script is executed, and as you could see over here, these are the details of our newly created template. So this is the ID, this is the title, this is the site script ID, description which we have entered above, and this is the URL of my thumbnail, version, list color, and the list icon. So let's see, friends, whether our template is now created or not. So now we are back to our site. Now we'll go to site contents. I will click on new, and now any user, if he will click on document library, now if you click on from your organization, here you can see our now template is there, and now any user can come here and use this template for creating a document library. So this is not only for this site. If I will randomly go to any other site, like this is my site with the name of DLP test, like if I'll go to site contents, click on new document library, and again if I'll click on from organization, I'm here as well. I'm able to create the document library based on this custom template. So user can click on this name. All right, and now we can click on use template. So we can give it a friendly name, like I will give it a name project only. We'll click on create. So as you could see, all the columns which was there on that the document library are now here as well. So friends, that's how we can create a custom template for our organization, and we can use that template for creating more document libraries across the site.
For more informative videos, you can check my other video links on the screen and subscribe my channel and press bell icon for more upcoming videos. I will see you guys in next video.